a heavy wind noise, but what we've got here is we've got a just a basic steel door with about 12 pounds of Tannerite explosive in the front of it.
Because a home intruder will definitely have
6.5 Grendel in a Ruger Percision rifle with a vortex scope. And are you ready to fire, Ben?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, guys.
Send it.
Send it. Oh my God.
Where'd it go?
Feel the percussion. There's no door left. I got to keep filming this. There's literally, oh my God. I'm trying to run old and fat. Oh. I do it for the views. Yep, walking now. Yeah, too many beers. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, my phone's still standing. I could actually.
Oh, your phone's there.
I could actually move it closer.
Did it shatter the screen or anything? Nice. I had to watch that in a minute. There is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Let's go see what this looks like. Oh my God.
Here's a board that we had propped up on the back.
Oh yeah, that is a
and it blew it in half.
2x6 we have propped up on the back. There is literally nothing left of this door. And there's I would say, I mean, it's a divot. It wouldn't be a canyon, but my God. Bro, there's nothing left in this thing.
Shit, I missed.
Good riddance.